Hi, hello there, and welcome back to STEAM with Steve. Today we're going to do the highest common factor homework. So let's jump on in with the Dr. Frost topics that we're going to do. So we're going to do the highest common factor questions, and then basically you'll see them on the right. So we've got 15, 24 to start, and let's jump on in. So I've got a new grid book here. We're just going to fold this off and then start it how all good homework should look like for us SMEG students. So we go there, draw a rule, line straight through it, and this one's going to be the highest common factor homework, and we're going to do this on the 5th of the 5th, 24. I'm going to highlight that, and that one. All right, good to go. So question 1, highest common factor of 50 and 24. I'm going to write those, so 50 and then 24. Both of those I can divide by 2, so then I get 25 and 12. And then I can't do anything else with those, so therefore highest common factor is 2. Question 2. Find the highest common factor of 24 and 48. Rightio. So I'm going to write both those numbers there. So I've got 24 and 48. And these ones pretty easy. I can divide them both by 24, which gives me 1 and 2. So therefore the highest common factor here is going to be 24. Question 3. Highest common factor of 14 and 28. So I'm going to write those two down. So we've got 14 and then 28. I can divide them both by 14, which gives me 1 and 2. So highest common factor in this case is just going to be 14. Question 4. We've got 13 and then 26. So I divide them both by 13 and get 1 and 2. So highest common factor in this case is 13. Cool. Question 5. We've got 36 and 6. So we can divide both of those, not by 3, we can divide them both by 6, which gives us 6 and 1. So therefore the highest common factor in this case is just 6. Question 6. Highest common factor of 4 and 34. So we'll go 4 and 34. Divide them both by 2, which gives us 2 and 17. Now that's a prime number. So therefore, highest common factor in this case is just going to be 2. Question 7. Oop, did I miss a question? 4, 34. Oop, forgot question. Sorry. That's question 7. We're going to do question 6 down here. So question 6, 30 and 18. So what we can do, we can divide them both by 6 and get 5 and 3, and they're both prime numbers. So therefore the highest common factor in both of those is just going to be 6. Question 8 now. Question 8, if we go down here, highest common factor of 30 and 38. So I'm going to go 30, I'm going to go 38. You can divide them both by not 4, but definitely 2. So divide both by 2, and we get 15 and 19. Can't do much more, so then highest common factor is just 2. Question 9. Find the highest common factor of 33 and 12. And 12. So definitely divide them both by 3. So we get 11 and then 4. So then that's it. Highest common factor is 3. Question 10. Highest common factor is 30 and 25. 30, 25. And we can divide both these guys by 5. So then we'll lift with 6 and 5. Can't do much more. That's the highest common factor. It's just 5. Question 11. Highest common factor of 48 and 18. 48 and 18. Divide them both by 6. So we get 8 and then 3. And that's what the highest common factor is. It's just 6. Question 12. Highest common factor of 22 and 6. Divide them both by 2. So then we get 11 and 3. That's the highest common factor. It's just 2. Question 13. Highest common factor of 45 and 18. So we've got 45, then we have 18. 9 times 5 is 45, and 9 times 4, 18. Sorry, 9 times 2 is 18. So we can divide both these by 9. So then we get 5 and then 3. So then the highest common factor in this case is just 9. Highest common factor of 20 and 32. So you can divide both of these by 4. Then we get 5 and 8. So our highest common factor in this case is 4. Question 15. 34 and 12. Rightio, so we go 34 and then 12. We can divide both by 2. So 30 is 15. So that gives us 17 and 6. Now that's a nice prime number, so we can't do much more. And our highest common factor is just 2. Question 16. Highest common factor of 44 and 26. And 26. Can't do much with that. So let's just divide them both by 2. To get 22 and 13. Can't do much with the 13, so highest common factor in this case is just 2. 17, highest common factor of 46 and 24. And 24. Let's just divide by 2 first, see what happens. So we get 23 and then 12. It's close to 24, but it's not going to work. So therefore, highest common factor in this case is just 2. So a new page. Align that middle. And we've got question 18. 24 and 6, that should be an easy one. So we can divide both by 6. And we get 4, 4, and then 1. So therefore, highest common factor is 6. 19. 34 and 18. Not 6, but 2. So we can divide both by 2. 35, 17, and 9. And that's it. So highest common factor in this case is just 2. And number 20. What have we got? We got 30 and then 5. So we can divide both by 5. And we're left 6 and 1. Highest common factor in this case is just 5. Cool. That's it. So that's pretty much the homework. If you did enjoy, please give us a like and subscribe, as it does help with that YouTube algorithm, trying to work out how to get the message that math is easy and approachable for everyone. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you give that like and subscribe, and also notifications as well. If you can sign up to that, it'd be really appreciated. Thanks again. See you next time on Steam It with Steve. Adios.